Okay, so this is the rest of my direct sown spring garden part 2. There we have a bunch of dill that's doing wonderful. And then if we come over here, wow, yeah, that's a lot of weeds, but you know what? We'll have to talk about weeds one of these days. I'm starting to a little bit come to peace with weeds. I can't believe I'm even saying that. I maybe not peace, but it's more peace than normal, I guess. There's some poppies, yay! Okay, I planted quinoa, but nope, I don't think there's any quinoa in this space. And here are sugar daddy peas and sugar snap peas, which I got to grow last year. I actually pre-sprouted them and they were doing great, but something got into them. So they are now in my enclosed garden. Here are Easter basket radishes, and look, they're growing. This is supposed to be Egyptian spinach. I don't see anything but weeds. And then we lose our labels because I'd had this idea of using these guys as like covers when I planted things. And then something got in my garden and took them all out. So yeah, my labels are gone. That is just how it is. So over here, there are some more likely radishes. And then possibly rutabaga right there. It's got old radish seeds. Look at that. Old radish seeds. Those are growing. Yeehaw. And then there's like maybe a couple little things might be growing here. Could be Brussels sprouts, could be broccoli. Same with these. Same with that. I don't know, is it Brussels sprouts or is it broccoli or is it cauliflower? I don't know, but look, we got them growing. It's a surprise. And then I'm pretty sure these are cabbages. And what's so cool is that, well, you can't have too many too close. So the fact that just a few germinated is a beautiful thing. And then there's one little guy right here. Same situation, one of those brassicas. And finally,